Hey, we're here at Seabee Park Abilene Texas with Dario. What do we got here, Dario?
Dario. This is the DJI 550, which means it's 550 millimeter from end to end on this thing. I'm using a 4-cell 1500 milliamp battery.
Okay.
And right now we're just in a test phase. Really, it should be flying with 10-inch props, but I'm flying with 8-inch props.
So we got 8-inch props.
Yep.
Wow, it's an awesome,
We'll see what
awesome looking model. All right, let's see her fly. This is not quite the maiden, but this is probably the maiden in this big of an area, right, Dario? Okay, the green flashing is that acquiring?
If you see a red light in there, it has not picked up satellite yet.
Okay, so it's got a red flashing light right now.
See the 3 red light flashing?
Yep.
See 1 orange and 3 red?
Yep, sure
it's
do.
Waiting for a satellite. Okay. Now I picked up a satellite because I got a solid blinking orange,
Yeah.
which means I'm in the attitude mode. Okay, if I go here, I'll be blinking green.
Yep, you got a green.
GPS mode.
All right, that looks good.
See now, it's what it did is just locked into the satellite. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna back up and take it for a spin.
Okay, these things start differently than you would a regular electric. You actually have to pull these sticks back.
Okay, let's watch that. Okay.
And they start. Then you got to get up on the throttle.
There we go. Has a nice sound. So now, since we took off from that platform,
GPS mode.
Okay.
The satellites are holding altitude on this thing. I mean, holding the position on.
Oh, that's great. So if you wanted to land by itself, oh, it will land at that spot or at the landing pad?
It'll get closer to the landing pad. I mean, there's only plus or minus.
Okay.
Accuracy on this thing.
Got it. Got it.
Features are they have taken somewhere and doing some orientation. I'm going to take it over to the side over here.
Okay.
I'm going to go into what they call home lock. See, this is home lock right now. If I pull back on the stick, it comes back on an angle.
Yeah.
All I did is pull back on the stick. Okay. Another feature is called course lock. So what happens is it doesn't matter the orientation anymore. I'm in course lock. Okay, this is forward, this is back. Okay, watch my hands, watch the thing. See, forward and back.
Okay.
Now watch what it does. If I change orientation, that's forward and this is back. See, it doesn't matter the orientation anymore.
Wow.
So you can be way out there and you want to get it back here. It don't matter the orientation. That's totally opposite. See what I mean?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
That's forward, but I'm pulling back on the stick because that's in front of me.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm going to just turn it around, get off of this thing. Okay. Right there, the green light, blinking lights is GPS mode.
Okay.
So if I had a camera, that's where I'd be filming right there. That's totally hands off. It's locked in.
Yeah, let's look at that.
See?
Hands free. Look at that.
Okay. Alright, now there's a manual mode, but I haven't got to play with it enough to get real comfortable flying this thing. But, it's still in the attitude mode, but it'll fly just like a regular.
Want to demonstrate the self-landing mode?
Okay, so what we're going to do is call a failsafe.
Okay.
Okay, all I do is throw the throttle hold. So I got my hands completely off this unit.
Oh, wow.
It'll go up 60 foot.
Okay. You can see the
Kinda
light
hold
flashing,
it, how
yeah.
it's pivoting because of the wind.
Yep.
Then I'll come back approximately where it took off. Hold or that position for a few seconds and then come straight down. And now it'll land and I'll shut off.
Very windy day, but it's really stable. Oh, she has a nice descent, nice and smooth.
Not doing anything. It's not going to land on its own, but I mean that's pretty close to where it took off, man.
Oh,
yeah, exactly.
no, exactly where it took off. That's cool.
You're going to do that just a couple of times. That's just
Yeah, yeah.
the way it behaves. And then it comes there and shuts off.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Hey.
And this is the 550 DJI, right?
Now, how confident am I? Watch this. I'm going to show you something else now.
Okay. What are we doing now, Dario?
Okay.
Pretty sweet, Dario.
Watch this. Transmitter is off.
Transmitter's off?
Yep.
Holy mackerel. Let's look at that. Yep, transmitter is off. Oh my goodness. And there she is. Now we're in failsafe mode.
Yeah. I mean, that's real failsafe. Transmitter off, loose signal, whatever. It's built into the software, the firmware.
That's amazing. Dario, can I see that radio real quick? Let me see the transmitter, yeah. Let's look at your transmitter real quick here. Look at it, I just wanted to show it, that's it, yeah. It's off. And here she is. Landing in failsafe on her own. Wow. That is pretty awesome.
I don't know why it does it. That's part of the software.
That's amazing.
So we'll go shut off too.
Well, you've seen it here, Abilene, Texas, Seabee Park.
Dario to come up
Wow.
with something like that.
That's pretty cool. Thank you, Dario.